Alright, it's a 2018 Honda CR-V, and just like my other Honda, the battery failed continuously, every single day I'm jump starting. Like, it's been 3-4 days. I put an appointment with the dealer. I assume battery is shot, and the battery goes out. It's really hard with these cars that doesn't have a regular key. You have the transponder key, so nothing works, and a bunch of lights come on, and you'll see a whole bunch of warning like this. Brake hold system problem, vehicle stability assist problem, and what else? Hill start assist problem. So all these problems come up, and then on the corner you see a brake system light is on, traction control light is on, ACC light is on, and lane watch, tire pressure monitor, and then front collision prevention, all that TPMS light. See, every single light is on, but nothing wrong with any of these systems. It's basically that it's not getting enough juice, and because of the battery being low. So finally able to jump start the car. I'm heading to the dealer. Let's see what happens. Okay, this is a 2018 CR-V with 9,000 miles on it. So that's how bad Honda batteries are. It's the second vehicle for me with Honda that's battery has gone out within a year. Okay. All right, let's see what's going on at the dealer side.